Brohowi Makanga Legacy, Katang Makhavi Aina, Katang Makhaviaji, Ali Kangaji Bingu Jungli lay, Kana Awi Kamashung, Kangarongji, now Mirawi Aina now totally lay, La Machine Chagatum, Tuizan Tradishini. Remake up the Aju Kamataya Baobing. Ukrul District na World Earth Day 2024 Mionda, Environment Wivang Pekar Kwipo Kaira. Tangmenglong District Le Election Duty Katang Police Pingna, Kangaji Pongchok the Duty Bum, Ngajay Mikwai Pohaira. Lake Yangutor, Achi the Tangkul Express with Bao Range Bem Merza in a Bamidale, Bao Bing Mesa in Anganang Rumsa. Ukrul District na World Earth Day 2024 Muyonda, Environment Uvang Pekar Kwipo Kaira. Ukrul District Working Journalists Association and Media Resource Center, Manipur Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na St. Joseph College Ukrulwi, Botany Zoology Kala, Social Work Department Spingli Ngshikta, World Environment Day Kazib Mukokmi Haira. Angran Angyechi Aya St. Joseph College Auditorium Holly Kwikaya. Head of the Department of Zoology, Dr. L. Kamashon na keynote address Kamili Environmental Challenges Leda Kalayli, Yang Gisang Dargar Kisangala Dukui Planet versus Plastic Kichiwi Maramli Kasatsanga. Plastic hina itumi musim fully sangaz Paningui Kawai, BSW students na skit Sanjithaya. Public Health Engineering Department, Executive Engineering Temrishang, Marina Gazib Jili Muso Sadavazanga. Temrishang the plastic pollution we sang Zimmeramli Hangsang the Korean Kragle plastic Kusing Suikata, Chijin Nuigahai, Kana recycle Kasahi Lakewai, Sustainable Otsak, Sankavai Kasatsanga. Angran Angye Chile is saying Han Planet versus Plastic Kachi, Dugui Azingli Rumida Department of Botany we, Kadam now being the Matamai Gub Kachi, Pangali Gazang Maikaya Sampanga. Ngahan Chile, Fresh Rose Ripongna Kare, Kana Awitili, Pongmingam Zinkai Aina, Ring Bipem Pere Zanga. Kuyuya Bing Chile Lupa Saman Aina certificate Mihaira, Shurugukui Sai Gorilla certificates Mia. Angran Angye Mupungapa, Sampangda, Ukrul District Working Journalists Association we, Mutun Aina, Edi Jipangna, Ningashi Pongshoka. Environment Pamai Kavai Kasali, Ganing Tidra Gachi Jithaida, Yarina Shurgukui, Pegar Sada Gazib Jili Muso or Jina Tanda, Cleanliness Drive Hapokmia. Kuki Kujumbam, Makangi Gachiwi, Kangajina, Maram Sada, Election Duty Mava Marada Manipur Police Kaikana, Makamia, Sajite Haira. Rankara election siwang, Tangmenglong District Lead Duty Gata, Police Pingna Atumi Mirinu Wang Nichiyada, Aya Imfali, Makamia Sajiteya. Tangmenglong District Lead Elections Duty Vankavai, Kangbokpi District Kanrada, Atumna Kangaji, Mava Kangai Pongshoka. Manipur Shorgarna Jizumi Kahai Atishuda, Tangmenglong Li Police Personnel, Shankani Hangtruk Election Duties Daragala, Jiwing Jaili Shanka Hangjigoda Shini Maitena Onachi. Shaka Hangchiko the Shini Police Personnel Pingjina, Judy Apam Wivang, Makamia Pongshokta, Judy Report Masamaragji, Aya Gana Priya Women's College Mangali Protest Sajiteya. Atumna Saran Masamaragji, Maningla, Masaza Kamay Apamli, Judy Mikavai Gabonachi. Election phase Kaneli, Gazang Outer Manipur Constituency we, polling Ajiwitarik Magada Troop, Lirung Migidalaya. Lok Sabha election sili kanmet mi kawai identification lyric photo voter slips mang mashap mana jihaira. Ukrul District Election Officer DEO Kenguzuring lana jishat kami atishurda electors photo identity card ipik magasing voters pingna photo identity documents kate singpulungra identity mujut kawai passport driving license pen card MGNREGA job card Aadhaar card Ministry of Labor's scheme we azingli kami health insurance smart card, RGI NPR na kami smart card, bank maning aka post office na kami photograph gazang passbooks ama gazang pension document, MPS, MLS, MLCS pingli kami official identity cards ama gazang service identity card si pinghi mayarachi. Kopta 2003 Act Atishura polling stations tangda yari pamli no smoking and tobacco free zones ngisara gji hangsanga election li ngisunda richum naubing na lupa makhui khawai DEO jina kasa thaira kachi gathali lupa aina kusui maning akha khamajit kharan tharan report sang khawai gzum sanga richum naubing na jigatha report chi monitoring cell maning akha election commission wi C Vigil app lila complaints misang baira Assam Rifles na UKLF cadres kanili tukui haira armed insurgents na Trachanbur Sangaikok Road li lupa khangshai pau samphangda Assam Rifles Operation Khawali United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF wi mi kanili tukui haira IT pau atishura Operation chi Tarik Mugathang Khawana gana UKLF cadres kani china khudlai singjat kasala khumi haira chia mi khani kala khudlai bingchi Manipur Police wi pangli misang haira Manipur Lok Sabha face kare wi repolling chingri aina kupsang haira Tarik Trada Jigot hang Inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency polling face kare li road kamra chokhawda polling booths Trada akali aya vote namlishita Political parties wi candidates pingna booths ngadada wi repol chi vayang roka Morang Campus Sajab kala Thongam Leikai Kurai constituency Shatrigaw wi stations mati Thongju wi akha kala Imphal West district Chong Rupok wi Gutum Kontujam li akha the booths trada akha wi repolling saghaina Tarik trada jigot hang wi polling li naumai kakap Kamajit electronic voting machines sagakai booth capture gisa higatha hi polling stations ngadada li shokhaina Ajaw hontang road mrat rahai salala ayaw repolling li voters turnout mathada taikuyaji Abam kai li voters turnout 85% kashunga da hanga Polling mathada zat khawai Manipur Chief Electoral Officer na security measures check-in lak aina ngaranna repolling chi guthor pung shiniu aina hapokda ngazin pung phanga aina tangda saya state police kala paramilitary forces shalak aina haimida kupsanga chi Khongjom Day Ungshungwada Manipur Governor Anusia UK Chief Minister N Biren Singh kala gathana ping gata daidana ruchum naw bingli salam mi haira Power Minister TH Biswajit Mahut Minister Y Kemjan kala MLA RK Imo atumnala Khongjom Day salam miya Kum gaji khaying Tarik magada gutum jimik show hi Khongjom Day mayonda 1891 Anglo Manipuri war li ngirmi khai bingli phaning khung khaya gashi khami majut ngasai 1891 kum hithang jimik show ping bangla ka hai Manipur wi raimi pauna Prajabashina thanda British forces li ngrara raijili mi shashana mirin chikat mi haida laigachi hangda aja state ngakai ngaga khawai gasa leida khalai atam hitharan Riley mirin chikat mi hai bingwi kaping ji khamadai relevance leida Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hangsanga Elections khamong phei rashung wada campaign atam ngijang ga highway alungli saran masaran phaningung khawai jishat khami shokhaira Constituency alungli political functionaries pingwi khung khawali kham restrictions akamatarik magada mati ngajin pung mati we aina hapokra Restrictions atishuda constituency gate we aina khara kana apam hiwi voter makhaning political functionaries parties workers procession functionaries campaign functionaries higatha pingna constituency jili mapam paimara Restriction ji political party we office bearer state in charge ka khwili mapar maraka atum khung khawa party office aina duty pamli confine sara Jizu khami hi shurnga sakhawai district police na yarishimni check sabai lodges guest houses kathali la check sabai Police na constituency borders li check post hai kala apam katay aina khara gari ungwa kasali la check sabaya gachi hangsanga Manipur Lok Sabha elections atamli zammayor paimara da Manipur Shorgarna dry day jishat ghai atishuda Ukrul district election officer na la jishat haira Polling jimik show wi manga bung hangmati da jishat wi alungli kala polling atam pai chawda dry state myon gi gachina Outer Manipur election phase ka khaneli jangda rakha khaying tarik magada mati ngajin pung mati wa aina hapoklaga polling jimik show khaying tarik magada thuruk thang vote sangukup atam aina tangda Manipur la Ukrul polling apam saigorali dry state aina vaira คันเม็ดชันทังมือคือตาริกมือดีทังละ dry day งสาระ dry state ฮีจำคออายุไซกรกะคำลีกะหังนักละดูการรนูโฮเทลรนู polling area ลีกจังยาริพมลีจำมมีมิโรไปมระชิไฮระจำกะคำไอ้นังกโซดา polling จิมิกชัวปุงหังมาดีดาจิชัดมังอาวิอลุงลี elections ลีขังสุน loudspeakers ชิกจินมมยามระ Election Commission of India นะจิซึขมีอาจิงลียาริกจิบลีรนูยังเครชงฟุลีขังวาวรนู election sweep มรำลีขังสุน loudspeaker ชิกจินอาขลับมมยามระกะคำฮี polling จิมิกชัวมรารังละเควี48 hours เอนะฮับพกตะ polling คุคุบเอนะตังระกะจะขยิงตาริกมกดามติงจินปุงมติวีเอนะฮับพกละกะ polling จิมิกชัวขยิงตาริกมกดาทุรุกทัง vote สังคุบเอนะตังดะคำวาระElections atam hili government scheme with benefits akala mami shok pai mara gchila district election officer na chisha thaira khangata election commission of India we ain azingli polling jimik show we manga 72 hours alungli shorgar we schemes we wages la benefits mami shok pai mara chizu khami chi concerned departments pingli phaning ung sakta yukrul deo na ngawau haira 72 hours kajihi tarik magada gutum ngazin pung mati aina hapokta polling paijak khamgi gachina Arunachal Pradesh shong polling stations chishatli report sara chihaira Election Commission of India na jizu khami anchishura achahon tarik trada jiko thang sanghai polling li EVM sangkhai la road khamrat chok ghai wi wang polling stations chishat wi vote sanghai ji mazat namara fresh polling akama tarik magada mati thang sara ajaw hon thangwi polling the voters 76.44% na khanmet khami theikhuya ladrida aju khamataya pawbing Ukrul district na World Earth Day 2024 mionda environment wiwang phaikar khwipo khaira Tangmenglong district le election duty kata police pingna khangji phongchok da duty pam ngejai mi khwai pohaira Achu pau hiling jang haira pau ngna da khalai thum sai gorali ring phangala khama haya jimik sho ngsa serano